Friends, Running Kimono here. So this is a really good deal over at the Dollar General to get these small kitchen appliances by Toastmaster for $6 starting on Wednesday. But if you wait till Saturday, pairing it with the 5 off 25, you can get them for $5 a pop. So, what is this all about? So, they're having a special 4-day flash sale. So, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. These small kitchen appliances are going to be, $6 each. In the past, they have been $5, but inflation, I guess, $6. But if you look at the ad, it says Toastmaster appliances shown here, regular 15 to 18 will be $6. It excludes the deluxe digital coffee maker. So I think that's the Keurig one because I saw that and it looked super fancy. But all of these great items. There's a little handheld mixer or like a blender. I didn't see that either. It's been in past sales like this. So these four, so really pay attention. Definitely open up the Dollar General app, scan barcodes. Sadly, my store, the toaster was missing. I guess that's a really popular item. But we have this little hot plate burner. If you ever watch people that do mukbangs here on YouTube, they always have one of those and they're boiling or cooking something. So $18 down to $6. That's I think 67% savings. So just under 70%, guys. So can you see the value in this? Even percentage wise, it's just a hair under 70%. Really good deal. We also have the can opener. I had that for 3 years. I love it. We have a little mixer. You never know when you might need extra appliances. Or, I have a friend who actually, she does these gift baskets for seniors. There's a whole bunch of people where she lives near Detroit and they collect stuff. And sometimes these little appliances are part of it. So a coffee machine that's 18 for $6. I mean, perfect, grandparent gift, just an easy coffee machine. Or even if you have somebody like a young college student that might need a new coffee machine, wouldn't that be nice to put that under the tree for $6? Or even like a Secret Santa. 67% savings, guys. This is why I'm really excited by this sale. So if you want to go on Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday and just grab the coffee machine or a toaster, if your toaster just died, it's a really good deal even for $6. If you want to pair it with a 5 off 25, a little bit more gasoline in the tank, it's a better deal. But even they do this deal, I think, twice just leading up to Christmas. So this is the first of two. With supply chain issues and items just not being in store, I would grab one of these items if you desperately need it now. Even if you're paying the $6. Looking at this deal on Saturday, I would grab 4 of the participating products and then one item from a dollar section or something that's exactly $1. So I'm grabbing 2 of the can openers, a coffee machine, and a hand mixer. Or if you wanted to get 4 coffee machines, by all means. And when you're at the store, you'll find this in the section where they have the Tupperware, foil, all that stuff, right across from where they have the dish soap at most of the Dollar Generals around here. Look high as well, because if they're completely there's nothing left on the shelf, they might store more at the very top or on end caps. Most Dollar Generals have a little dollar spot. It's typically found at the front of the store, and this is even cheaper than Dollar Tree if you think about it. And one product that I always love to buy whenever I have a little bit of overage is this 25 count of the pre-cut foil. If you're a lazy cook like yours truly, it's a little bit of magic there, so I always grab this for $1. So if we're going to head over there on a Saturday, we're going to grab 4 appliances, something from the dollar spot, and we're going to load this digital coupon, which is the 5 off 25, valid on Saturday, October the 29th only. Grabbing 4 of those appliances, well, that's $24. And you can mix and match or grab 4 of the same, whatever you want to do. And then grab 1 item from the dollar spot to get our total right to $25. As the cashier is scanning the merch, punch in your phone number. The cashier will hit the final pay button. 5 off 25 will come off. You're paying $20 for the 4 or $5 per Toastmaster product and getting that little dollar spot item for free, basically. But what a tremendous, tremendous deal on these appliances. Again, in the past, they have done this. Usually it's November they do it, and then they do it towards the end of November or the first week of December. But even at my store, that toaster was nowhere to be found because I think just staffing issues to get it on the floor, along with, how many times is the truck going to show up here till the end of the year? That's another thing. So if you're in desperate need for one of these appliances, I would get it sooner than later. But what a tremendous deal when you're saving 67% on one of these appliances. I just love this deal. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.